Meaning of half-life.
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 Half-life. Half-life refers to the amount of time it takes for a substance or entity to decay by half of its original quantity. In other words, it is the time required for half of the initial amount of a substance to undergo decay. This term is commonly used in nuclear physics, where the half-life of an unstable atomic nucleus is a fundamental property. It can also refer to the half-life of a drug in pharmacology and the time it takes for a population to decrease by half in demographics. Overall, half-life is a crucial concept in understanding the behavior of various substances and phenomena.